Are you tired of broken image links in your Gmail signature? Learn how to add an image from Google Drive in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to access signature settings, then insert an image from Drive, and finally adjust its size. Start by navigating to your Gmail homepage. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Gmail settings. Now, click on See All Settings to open the full settings page. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. Go ahead and click on Create New. Type in a name for your signature, for example, New. Then click on Create to confirm. Now click on the Insert Image icon in the Signature Editor. From the options, choose Google Drive. Select the image you want from your Google Drive. Then click on Insert to add it to your signature. Click on the image you just inserted to select it. Choose the size you prefer for your signature. Once you're happy, click on Save Changes. To test it, click on Compose to open a new email. In the Compose window, choose the signature you just created from the Signature dropdown. And there you go. You can now see your Google Drive image as your signature. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.